This is literally the first vlog of 2021, and we are currently going to the dentist. I'm out of breath because I keep running. Get my phone. Because I keep running back and forth with the steps, but I'm taking Kaden to the dentist today. So we're leaving now. Focused. You got my phone?
Yeah.
Pass me that box. But we're leaving now to go to the dentist. It is a package FedEx at the door. I don't know what it is, but we'll check that later. I bought a scarf. I feel like I don't need it, actually. I'll take my scarf. So I'll get back to you guys in a second. But I'm heading to the dentist. This is going to be like a mommy vlog, I guess you could say. So I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I just got back in the house. It's currently 4. I want to say it's like 4 o'clock-ish. So the dentist was a success. He finished and got all his work that he needed to get done at the dentist done. So now I stopped at Starbucks. I went to the beauty supply store and I got an Amazon Fresh delivered. So I'm gonna show you guys basically everything I got. So give me literally like 1 second. Let me just hang up his coat, and I'm gonna unpack and show you guys everything that I got. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got for Starbucks first. This is Caden's because he can't have basically anything like to chew on right now. So I just got him a vanilla bean frap. It's super basic, and I just got like the holiday sugar sprinkles on it. So that's that. And y'all know, of course, I got my favorite. Hold on, I'm like struggling to take it out the bag. Okay, like I was saying, I got my favorite. This drink got super popular, especially around holiday time when you would get like the pumpkin spice cold foam, but they don't have pumpkin spice, of course, you know, seasonal. So this is gonna be the vanilla chai or iced chai latte with 6 pumps of vanilla and vanilla sweet cold foam. So bomb. I used to get it in a grande, but I'm like super obsessed, so I always get it in a venti now. So that's it. And then I got like 4 cake pops. I got 2 birthday cake pops, and then I got it's this other one. It's called like Earth Day. I'll show y'all because I'm gonna give it to Cameron right now. So this is how the cake pop looks that I got Cameron. It's called Earth Day, so it looks like this, and it's blue. So this is his little treat. All right, y'all. So this is some of the stuff I got from Amazon. So I got a thing of Life Water. I got them some variety pack fruit snacks. I got myself these chewy s'mores just so I have a nice little snack. I got some maple and brown sugar oatmeal. This is my favorite oatmeal. Basically the only oatmeal I eat is this one. Alright, so I had got some Betty Crocker super moist red velvet cake because Cameron's birthday is next week. So I was gonna order a cake, but I didn't have enough time to get the cake I wanted. So I'm gonna make my famous red velvet cupcakes, right? Aren't they so good? The red velvet cupcakes.
Where's pizza on the floor?
On this side we have some little bites. They like this. So I got little bites. I got 2 of these salad bowls, but I usually never eat like the actual meat it comes with. I always make my own. So I'm gonna make a buffalo chicken salad. I might make that tomorrow or for work. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna have that. So I have 2 of the same ones. It's just buffalo. It's just Santa Fe style, but I always put buffalo chicken with it. I got some Love Home and Planet. I wanted to try this out. I didn't know it was gonna be this small, but it says this is enough for 66 loads. You know how we wash clothes. We always put in more. So I got this to try it out, and the scent is lavender and argan oil. So hopefully it smells good. I didn't even smell it yet, but I got that. I got a thing of strawberry syrup. They love strawberry milk. I got some pull and peel Twizzlers. My favorite, which is Sun Chips. We got some honey turkey breast, some Swiss cheese, 2 extra cheesy Lunchable pizzas. I got some hot dogs because I have some bush beans, but I didn't have hot dogs, so I need a hot dog. I need to get some buns though, now that I'm thinking about it, but whatever. I got some bananas. They like bananas, so I got extra bananas with the fruit that we already have. A thing of Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, because this is a cereal that they enjoy. I got the 7th generation Tropical Grove scent, and this is basically dryer sheets, and they're plant-based, so that's cool. I got a big thing of creamer because I want to make my coffee. So I got the Delight Caramel Macchiato. And this is just some crumbled Grazanda cheese. So basically it's like a blue cheese kind of. So I got that. I got some Mrs. Meyer's fabric softener. This is the style Puny, the Puny scent. It came with a thing of water, which I thought was cool. And then I got some Annie's white cheddar macaroni and cheese for that. And just some waffle cut fries. And then, of course, buffalo sauce to go with my buffalo salad. And I got blue cheese as well to go with the salad. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for what I got from the store. Oh, also I went to the beauty supply store. I'm going to show you in a second because I got some stuff from there too. So I guess I'll show you guys what I got. I'm debating on honestly washing this wig because the ends is just a little dry from me bleaching it. And also, the hair is shedding, but as you can see, this is how dark the hair was. So I went from this dark hair all the way to I got it to a platinum blonde. So, and of course, I don't know if I mentioned, but I had to cut like the ends to this wig just because it was like, it was uneven. So I was like, let me just cut the split ends. So most likely what I'm going to do today is I'll probably just wash this wig, wash my real hair, blow dry it, braid it up, and do that for today. I need to also find a picture, post a picture on Instagram. I'm trying to post like 3 pictures a day on the gram. So I need to do that. And I also need to... Sorry, y'all, I was thirsty. And I also need to post in my stories so I can get some more content up there. But for right now, I'm going to put this stuff up and then I'm going to eat. And then if I do anything else, I'll come back on. So I'll either come back on if I do my hair and stuff and show y'all the process. Or I'm going to continue the vlog and probably show y'all like what else I'm going to do during the rest of the week. And today is Wednesday, by the way. So it's Wednesday. Alright, y'all. So... hold on, let's focus. Let me just show y'all the last little bit of stuff I picked up. So I picked up some children's chewable Motrin for Caden for his mouth, but he's not like honestly in any pain, so that's a good thing. He's not in any pain, but I did pick him this up. From the beauty supply, I picked up some this is called Island Oil. So it's basically a Jamaican mango and lime oil, and it's seed oil, and it has manuka honey, and it soothes and moisturizes the scalp, nourishes from roots to ends, strengthens locks and no buildup. So basically this is for like natural hair and like locks, but I'm gonna try this in my hair and see how it is because my scalp gets really dry. So I got that. Then I got some moisturizing. So basically just a moisturizing body oil for my body. Y'all know I suffer from eczema, dry skin. And this instantly relieves dry skin, 24-hour, lightly scented. And it's just palmless. And y'all know you can use it for baths and shower, fast absorbing, coconut and vitamin E. So yeah, I'm going to see how that works. And then the last thing I bought, this is honestly what I went into the beauty supply for, which was basically a color treated and highlighted hair defense. So basically a protein treatment. This is really what I went in the beauty supply for. And this is like mainly for my ends because I did bleach my hair. So I need something to kind of like just help strengthen it. So that's it. That's all I bought from the beauty supply. And all 3 of these things, I literally bought just these 3 things and this was like $25. Crazy. And then this I bought from like the drugstore. So that's it. I'm washing the wig now. I'm honestly just debating if I'm going to wash my own hair and braid my hair tonight because I'm truthfully really tired. So we'll see. If I do, I'll show y'all the products that I'm going to use to wash my hair.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you.